Did you know the high priest who condemned Jesus thought he was saving his nation? Caiaphas stood before the emergency council, his voice cutting through the tension. It is better for one man to die than the whole nation perish. He knew Rome was watching. One hint of rebellion and legions would march in Jerusalem. This Jesus had to be stopped before his movement sparked a war they couldn't win. The trial was carefully orchestrated. Witnesses stepped forward with rehearsed accusations. When Jesus claimed to be the Son of God, Caiaphas saw his moment. He tore his robes dramatically, declaring blasphemy punishable by death. The council voted. Jesus would die. As the crucifixion unfolded, Caiaphas watched from afar, certain he had saved the temple. Then Jesus breathed his last breath. At that exact moment, the massive temple veil ripped in two from top to bottom. The irony was complete. In trying to protect the temple system, he had fulfilled the very prophecy that would end it forever.